Hi, my name's Mark with Finish First, and today I want to show you 5 new solution-based kits available at AutoZone. What's great about these kits is they have everything you need for the repair while following 3 easy steps: prep, fill, and sand. Today we're going to show you how to fix this bumper with our bumper repair kit. We've already thoroughly cleaned the vehicle. Now we're going to go ahead and wipe it down with our prep wipe. If you have any loose debris, cut it off with a knife. Start with the green 80 grit sandpaper and dish out the area. Switch to the orange 180 grit to remove all the 80 grit scratches. Now go ahead and clean with the prep wipe. Before you mix the filler and the hardener, knead each one of them in their pouches. Use 1 pouch of filler to 1 pouch of hardener. Be sure not to stir it. Fold the filler in so that you don't create air pockets. Apply enough bumper filler to allow for sanding. After the bumper filler is cured for about 15 minutes, sand with 180 grit sandpaper to the contours of the bumper. Now switch to the yellow 320 grit to remove all the 180 grit scratches. Wipe with the prep wipe and you're now ready for primer and paint. Be sure and check out our other awesome solution-based kits. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at gofinishfirst.com and subscribe to our channel.